In this video, I will show you exactly how you can AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and search for the app named Auto Clicker. You'll find a lot of apps like this one. Simply navigate to this app and you can see I have already installed it. So let's go ahead and open this app and see how can you use it. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and it's going to look like this. First, tap on OK and give permissions to this app. Tap on Installed Apps. Now tap on Auto Clicker and then enable the first toggle right here. It should be turned off by default. Just turn it on from here. Once you're done, you can go back to the app and you can start using it now. Firstly, tap on Enable. At the top, you will get these two buttons on the screen. Once you do that, just go ahead and quit from this app completely. Now let's go ahead and open Roblox. Of course, you have to be logged into your account and wait for the app to fully load up. After the app loads up, open the server that you want to be AFK in. I'm going to use Please Donate. Again, we wait for the server to fully load up. And from here, let's drag this blue circle to the jump button that should be at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, simply tap on this triangle to start the auto clicker. Now, you will be jumping constantly and you won't get kicked out of this server. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.